Hey guys, NoBones12 here. Today I have this Moss Marco Polo ceiling fan. This is like one of the latest ones ever made because this is right before, well, this is made by Aircool, and this is right before like basically the Genoa, or I don't know if it was Genoa, called the Genoa back then, but the Hampton Bay Emperor, whatever it was back then, right before that. And that and this are very similar. So I think Jordan, you has one of those. And you'll notice that it has this regular styled switch housing and that canopy. And it has these old style brackets. So yeah, like actual Emperor brackets. What speeds up? I think it was on low. Alright, so here's a light. And this fan I got from Reece Umbreit when he took a trip down here. We didn't record anything. Him and Taylor Turlo visited. I don't know how to pronounce his last name. Sorry, Taylor. I kind of have a cold right now. Here is loads, I think. This fan performs pretty well, I'd say. The motor, I'd say, is like 153 millimeter, but it's like 153 by 20. It's like figure that way than it is that way. Yeah. It's pretty quiet too. Light. I think I have an incandescent bulb in there. Here is medium. Got good airflow on medium, I'd say. Alright, here's high speed. And as expected, it blows a lot of air, I'd say. Yeah. This is from, I think, February of 1986, I want to say. There's a tag on top that says so, but I'm not going to try to get up there and read it right now. Actually, aluminum high. Switch here. Don't try that at home. Well, I don't really care if you do. I'm not gonna tell you what to do, what not to do at your home. Anyway, here is starting on the lowest setting on variable speed. I think I have incandescent bulb in here. Yeah. We should leave the light off. This is fairly quiet on solid state, I'd say. Here's a 8th turn. Number 8. Another 8. Number 8. Medium high, I'd say. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. I want to apologize for not really having an NCFD fan special or whatever. I don't really care, so yeah, anyway, thanks for watching.